Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikhil Shah and I'm a student who is going to study at Paderborn University at Germany, and today's video is about how can we transfer any funds from our Indian account, normal Indian account, to a foreign account which is this situated at Germany or any other country. So basically we will be sending money from INR to some foreign currency, suppose euros or pounds or US dollars or anything else. So we will be using this very nice tool called Wise, and to be honest it's Wise because it is quite easy to use. I'll just show you the basic steps, and this will enable you to just do your transaction in a very easy way, right? So what all you need to do is, suppose select your currency in which you want to pay out. Okay, for example, euros. I paid my college this fees. So for paying my university, suppose if I have to pay them exact amount of 327.34, what I need to pay from Indian bank is 26,652.70, which includes 650 approx rupees of transaction fees. Fine. And that is how it can be done. It is quite faster than all the other methods till now which I have seen and heard from friends. So this is one of the best ways to do it. Suppose if you want to send something else, suppose you want to send in any other currency, you can simply select that currency, put whatever amount you want the recipient to receive, and then you will get your INR, how much you have to send, including this transaction fee. I'll put a link in the description which you can use for your first transaction and can save this amount, whatever the transaction fee is going to be logged on to you. So if you are a first time user, use that link to register. If already done, I guess you have lost this much amount of money and you have to pay it again. So I have already logged in, so that's why it is saying welcome back Nikhil. So simply just entering my password and logging in. So I already sent money to my college. So again I'm just showing you how it can be done in a very easy way, so that you can also transact your money. So for example, I need to send 327.34. This was the exact amount which we were supposed to send, that's why I'm choosing this. And see, this is the transaction fee, this is what I have to pay from INR. Now this is the amount, this is the rate of the currency which will be guaranteed rate for 24 hours. Fine. So this is the rate which is blocked for me now. So continue. Once I continue, I'll be asked whether I have to send it to myself or someone else or some business or charity. If you're sending to some person, choose this. If you're sending to your college, any kind of business or a company, choose this. So upon choosing this, you'll have to add their email address and their bank details and all. Here in this case, I already choose this and enter the detail for my college, so I'm using that only. So after entering that, you will be asked what is the reason for your transfer. So reason is whatever your reason. If you find it here, just select it. If you cannot find it here, then you have to ask them in the help section. Most probably you will find it for payment to educational institutions. Selected. Now going ahead, submit. Next is this. They'll give you all the details, like you send this and the recipient's name, email ID, IBAN address, bank code, SWIFT, etc. Fine. Then now this all the details. Reference for your recipients, it is optional, but you should add something so that they can see it and they can understand, like your name or your matriculation number or your reference number, whatever they have given you. Fine. After that, click on continue. Once you press continue, what you can do is manually transfer money from your bank to their bank. Fine. And After this place, you will have an option to continue to payment. Click on continue to payment. What they are saying is Wise won't take money from your bank automatically. You will be given the bank details and you have to send money. Once they will receive the money, they will start the transfer. So how it happens is, see, if I'm telling you, Wise gives you one account for Indian account, right, which they have. You have to send your money to the Indian account. The Indian account sends to some account which is handled by Wise, and then Wise transfer it to euros, and that euros is given to your, suppose, your university, and that's how the payment is settled. So what you need to do is simply transfer to an Indian bank account. For that you can use Google Pay or Phone Pay or any other feature, or your internet banking, and you can simply just put on all the details of the bank which they give, and then you will get all the message that yes, I have done it, I have done that, and so on. So are you sending money from your own account? Yes. So continue. Online bank branch telephone online banking, continue. Fine. So this is, use this preference number, this is the IFSC number, this is the account number, this is their bank address and all, this is the account number. Fine. So once you have made the transfer, simply click on I have made my bank transfer. So they will start checking it. Fine. And we need to receive your money by Friday. Today is Thursday and approximately 6:45. So they need 24 hours for you to send the money to guarantee the rate of this. Else the rate might change a little. So that's why they are asking you to send it in next 24 hours. So you can do it in 5 minutes if you're sending it from India. Simply use your Google Pay or Phone Pay and send it to them, and once sent, they will just take the money and transfer it to their euro bank, and then after changing the money to euros, they'll send it to your college or university, and then it will all be settled. And it will take around 24 to 48 hour max. You all of it will be done. Fine. And once you go here, right now, suppose if I'll transfer my money later. Fine. So see, sending post details, you will get all the detail. Fine. Updates, I have now paid or not paid, whatever. So you will get all the details. Keep checking your email address whenever it says need your attention. Fine. So I'm canceling this one. Cool. Done. So this is how it should be done. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. In case of any issues, any difficulty, feel free to comment on the video. I'll help you out personally. Thank you again. Bye bye. Take care.